Light shine. Famed philosopher and orator Edmund Burke once said, "All that is necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men to do nothing." It's true, doing nothing is easy, but it's also dangerous. Where there is no opposition to evil, evil will multiply. We all fall into the trap of complaining about the things that are wrong, but complaining does nothing except discourage us even more. It changes nothing because there is no positive power in it. Imagine what a mess the world would be if all God did was complain about everything that has gone wrong since He created it. But the Father doesn't complain. He continues to be good and work for justice. Evil is powerful, but good is more powerful. We need to stop and realize that God has chosen to work on this earth through His children, you and me. His light is inside us, and we can't afford to do nothing. We must let our light shine, no matter what, as we live our lives doing good in His name. Prayer starter. Lord, it's very easy to sit back and do nothing, but it's so much better to actively let your light shine. Help me stand in opposition to evil and act on your goodness every chance I get. Amen.